Most truckers in 2026 are going broke because they ignore the small stuff. If you want to keep your rig running like a beast and save thousands of dollars this year, you need these 10 hacks. I am showing you the secrets to a million-mile engine right now. 10. The air filter lung hack. If you want to understand your truck, you have to think of it like a human body. Your engine needs to breathe just like you do. The air filter is basically the lungs of your semi-truck. When that filter gets plugged up with dirt and dust, you are essentially choking out your turbo. Think about trying to run a marathon while breathing through a tiny straw. That is what you are forcing your truck to do when you skip this check. Some guys think a dirty filter is no big deal, but it is giving your engine bad lungs. If your turbo is struggling to suck in fresh air, your performance drops through the floor. You will see your miles per gallon start to slip. In 2026, with fuel prices where they are, you cannot afford to waste a single drop. So how do you handle this? You need to inspect that air filter every single month. Do not just wait for a warning light on your dash. Open it up. If it looks nasty, replace it. It is one of those simple tasks that keeps your engine running efficiently and can actually extend the life of your motor for years. A clean air filter improves your fuel efficiency and makes sure your turbo is not working itself to death. But here is the thing most drivers miss. Even if the filter looks okay, you need to check the housing for leaks. If outside air is getting in past the filter, you are sucking in cancer for your engine. That raw dirt will chew up your cylinders faster than you can imagine. Keep those lungs clean, and your truck will love you back. 9. The fuel system guard. Next, we have to talk about the lifeblood of your machine, the fuel system. If your fuel filters are clogged, you are quite literally choking the life out of your rig. A lot of performance issues people blame on the engine are actually just dirty fuel filters struggling to let the fuel flow. When your filters are full of junk, your fuel pump has to work 10 times harder to push gas through. You are putting unnecessary stress on that pump, and eventually it is going to burn up. Replacing a fuel pump is a nightmare that will cost you thousands in repairs and lost time on the road. But replacing a fuel filter? That is a cheap and easy fix you can do yourself. In 2026, the fuel we get can sometimes have more contaminants than we like. That is why you should be replacing these filters regularly. If you are dumping crap into your cylinders because your filters failed, you are going to have poor performance and long-term damage. The hack here is simple. Change those fuel filters whenever you do an oil change. Do not try to squeeze an extra few thousand miles out of them. It is not worth the risk of ruining your fuel pump or gunking up your engine. Keeping your fuel clean is the easiest way to make sure your truck performs smoothly every time you hit the pedal. But wait, there is a hidden air problem that can kill your power even if your fuel is perfect. I will show you that silent killer in the next section. 8. The turbo boost secret. Have you ever felt like your truck just lost its punch? You hit the gas and the response just isn't there. Most drivers start panicking about their transmission, but the problem is often much simpler. It is a boost leak. Your turbo creates all that beautiful boost to give you power. That air has to go from the turbo, through the cooler, and into the intake side of the engine. If you have a tiny leak in any of those hoses or connections, that boost is escaping into the atmosphere instead of going into your motor. When you have a boost leak, you are getting outside air where it shouldn't be, and your performance is going to be terrible. You will burn more fuel trying to make up for the lost power, and you will feel like you are dragging an anchor behind you. Every time you open your hood for a pre-trip inspection, you need to look at those boost hoses. Look for signs of oil mist near the connections. That is a huge red flag that air is escaping. Check the clamps. Make sure they are tight. If a hose feels soft or has a crack, swap it out immediately. It is a $20 fix that prevents a $1,000 headache. Keeping your boost system sealed is what keeps that big rig performing at its peak. If you ignore it, you are just throwing money out the window with every mile you drive. 7. The 17-cent money machine. This next hack is not about a wrench or a screwdriver. It is about your bank account. If you want to be a professional and stay successful in this business, you have to treat your truck like a company, even if you are the only employee. There is a magic formula in the industry that separates the winners from the guys who end up stuck on the side of the road with no way to pay for repairs. That formula is 17 cents per mile. You need to create a separate bank account. Call it your maintenance fund. Every single time you drive a mile, you put 17 cents into that account. If you drive 100 miles today, move $17 over. If you do a 1,000-mile run, that is $170 that goes into the pot. I know it sounds hard to set aside that money when you have bills to pay, but listen to me. This is the difference between a minor setback and a total business failure. When your engine eventually needs work or you need a new set of tires, you won't have to go hunting for a loan or building up bad debt. The money is already there, waiting for you. If you stay disciplined for a whole year and nothing major breaks, you will have a massive pot of money sitting there. You can use that for a down payment on your next truck or give yourself a small reward for being a smart business owner. But never spend it all. You have to keep that machine running. This fund is your shield against the unexpected. But how do you make sure you actually catch those problems before they drain your fund? It all comes down to a 90-point secret. 6. The Godzilla problem. Prevention. Every morning before you start your day, you have a choice. You can spend 15 minutes checking your rig, or you can risk a $5,000 repair bill later that afternoon. I call this Godzilla problem prevention. Small problems are like babies. They are easy to handle. A tiny leak in a coolant hose is a baby problem. You can swap that hose for a few bucks in a parking lot. But if you ignore that leak, eventually your water pump is going to run dry and blow up. Now you have a Godzilla problem on your hands. Your pre-trip inspection is your best friend. You should be checking at least 90 different items on your truck every single morning. Open the hood. Check your belts for cracks. Look under the engine for puddles. Check your oil, coolant, and brake fluid levels before you ever turn the key. Check your lights. Make sure your turn signals and brake lights are working perfectly. Not only does this keep you safe, but it also keeps the DOT off your back. A simple blown bulb can lead to a roadside inspection that wastes your time and costs you fines. If you catch a problem when it is small, you turn a $1,000 bill into a $20 bill. It is the most profitable 15 minutes of your day. Be ruthless with your inspection, and you will stay on the road while other guys are waiting for a tow truck. 5. The battery corrosion shield. Most drivers don't think about their batteries until the truck won't start in a cold parking lot. But in 2026, with all the electronics and sensors in these new rigs, your electrical system is under more pressure than ever. One of the biggest causes of electrical failure is something you can fix with a household item. I am talking about battery corrosion. That white, crusty junk that builds up on your terminals is an insulator. It blocks the flow of electricity, making your alternator work harder and slowly killing your batteries. Extreme temperatures make this even worse. You need to check your battery terminals regularly for any signs of that green or white crust. If you see it, do not just ignore it. Here is the hack. Grab some baking soda and water, mix it up, and use an old brush to scrub those terminals clean. It neutralizes the acid and removes the junk. Once they are clean and dry, apply a protective spray to stop the corrosion from coming back. A clean battery connection ensures your truck starts every time and keeps your sensors from throwing ghost codes that make you think something is wrong with the engine. It is a 5-minute job that saves your electrical health. 4. The stopping power check. Let's talk about the most important safety system on your rig, your brakes. You can have the most powerful engine in the world, but if you cannot stop 80,000 pounds, you are in big trouble. Brake maintenance is not just about staying safe, it is about saving money on big repairs. You need to be checking your brake pads, rotors, and fluid levels regularly. If you hear any unusual squeaking or grinding, or if you feel a vibration in the pedal, you need to address it immediately. A lot of guys ignore a small brake issue until they need to replace the entire axle system. That can cost you thousands of dollars. But if you catch thin pads early, the cost is much more manageable. Make sure your brake lights are functioning every single day. Other drivers need to see you stopping, and the DOT loves to pull over trucks with a dead brake light. Also, keep an eye on your air system. If you hear your compressor cycling too often, you might have a leak in your brake lines. Air leaks make your engine work harder and put you at risk of a brake failure. Listen to your truck. It will tell you when something is wrong. Speaking of air, There is another system that relies on it to keep your engine from melting. Let's look at the cooling system. 3. The radiator life extension. Your engine generates a massive amount of heat, and the only thing keeping it from turning into a pile of scrap metal is your cooling system. If you want your semi-truck to perform smoothly in 2026, you cannot neglect the radiator. The radiator's job is to circulate coolant and prevent overheating, which can cause severe engine damage. You need to check your coolant levels every single day before you start the engine. If you notice the level is dropping, you have a leak somewhere. Find it before it becomes a disaster. Regularly inspect your radiator for signs of corrosion or leaks. Over time, dirt and bugs can plug up the fins on the outside of the radiator, making it less efficient. Every now and then, give it a good cleaning to make sure air can flow through freely. And do not forget to flush the system according to your truck's manual. Fresh antifreeze prevents rust and scale from building up inside the engine blocks and hoses. A $100 coolant service can prevent a $20,000 engine fix. It is a simple trade-off. 2. The tire pressure profit trick. Tires are one of your biggest expenses as an owner-operator. If you are not taking care of them, you are basically setting piles of cash on fire. Most drivers know that low tire pressure can lead to blowouts, which are dangerous and expensive. A single blowout can cost you $500 or more for the tire alone, not counting the road service fee and the time you lose. But there is a hidden cost to low tire pressure that hurts you every single day. Fuel efficiency. When your tires are low, there is more rolling resistance. That means your engine has to work much harder to move the truck. You are burning more fuel just to maintain your speed. Check your tire pressure and tread depth before every single trip. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for the right PSI. Do not just thump them and guess. Use a real gauge. Also, look for uneven wear. If one side of the tire is wearing faster than the other, your alignment might be out or you might have a suspension issue. Catching this early means you can rotate your tires and get thousands of extra miles out of them before they need to be replaced. Proper tire maintenance is a direct way to keep your truck performing smoothly and your profits high. 1. The fifth wheel, smooth slide. The last hack is one that often gets overlooked until you start hearing a loud clunk every time you turn or hook up to a trailer. I am talking about your fifth wheel. The fifth wheel is the main connection point between your truck and your livelihood. If it isn't properly maintained, it can affect your steering and cause unnecessary wear on your tires and suspension. Maintaining the fifth wheel is actually pretty simple. You need to keep it lubricated. Check it regularly to make sure there is a good layer of grease on the plate. This prevents metal-on-metal grinding and ensures the trailer can pivot smoothly during turns. Also, inspect it for wear and tear. Make sure the locking mechanism is working perfectly and that everything is aligned as it should be. A well-lubricated and adjusted fifth wheel makes for a smoother, safer ride and prevents damage to your chassis. It is a small task that makes a huge difference in how the truck feels on the road.